Boys and Girls Clubs of San Francisco has been a critical service provider in our community for 129 years. Each new decade brought new challenges and opportunities, some local, some national, and some global. From the Industrial Revolution to the Digital Revolution, through 2 world wars, a Great Depression, and 2 devastating earthquakes, Boys and Girls Clubs of San Francisco has been a force for good in kids' lives. Today, we find ourselves immersed in one of the greatest challenges that our nation has faced. Our lives have been upended by the novel coronavirus. Fear is everywhere. Our local, state, and national economies have almost shut down. Resources are stretched, people are dying. Our divided nation suffers together. Throughout this crisis, Boys and Girls Clubs of San Francisco is once again rising to the challenge. Day after day after day, the club shows up, opening our doors and our hearts. Everything that we have done throughout this crisis is 100% focused on the health and well-being of young people. From in-clubhouse programs to daily lunch service to a virtual clubhouse experience, Boys and Girls Clubs of San Francisco is offering a continuum of care for young people that is keeping them connected to their support systems, bringing routine and normalcy to their lives, and facilitating continued learning and advancement. Boys and Girls Clubs of San Francisco has multiple clubhouses open around the city, including Columbia Park and the Mission, which is open for extended hours to be available to children whose families work in hospitals. Our 2 public housing locations in Sunnydale and Hunters Point, and our Visitation Valley Clubhouse. The club is classified as an essential business within the San Francisco Health Order and is abiding by the standards set by the Department of Public Health for social distancing. Additionally, we are offering a community food distribution service for students and their families in Visitation Valley. Over the past year, Boys and Girls Clubs of San Francisco has served more than 19,000 youth and nearly 1,900 each day. Our contribution to kids and families in San Francisco never wavers. And in trying times like these, our contribution as an anchor institution, with deep trust in relationships in our neighborhoods, is more important than ever. And when we emerge from this health crisis and face the social and economic challenges that await us, the club will again be there, standing shoulder to shoulder with youth, families, and neighborhoods. The way the club changes the world has never been with one great act that makes big headlines. But that doesn't mean that what we do isn't very impressive. The club's strength has always been its people, and today that is more evident than ever. Their contribution is everyday acts of love, guidance, and support for young people. I'm inspired by the commitment, passion, and selflessness of so many members of Boys and Girls Club's team. To watch our staff put themselves in harm's way for others is humbling. We still have a lot of work to do to get through this crisis, and we accept that responsibility gladly.